Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Christmas Kong. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Christmas Kong, we're going to begin with the eyes. So we want to begin right here, and we just want to start by drawing a little line that's going to come down. We go up and down again, with like a check mark shape. You want to do the same thing over here, so we just go down, we come up, and down again with that check mark shape. Starting here, I'm going to make a little circle that's going to come up for the eye. And you also want to do the same thing over here, just make that little circle shape that comes up for the eye. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. And we'll do the same thing over here, we'll just kind of go up and in. Then bring it down on each side. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and then up for the inside of the nose. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and we'll make another line that comes down here. Then we'll make a line that comes across for the mouth. Right under here, we'll make another little line that goes over, and that's going to come up. Now right here, I'm going to give him some little lines that are just going to kind of go down and up for like a beard shape. And I'm going to make this a little bit longer, and then I just come back up. So you can see I just made these little pointy lines. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and down. And then we'll do one here. We're going to go up and down, and I'm just going to bring it in a little bit. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down and up. And same thing here, we're just going to go down and then up. Then I'm going to make a little line here and a little line right here for some detail. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come out, and I'm putting some little pointy lines on it here. And I'll do the same thing over here. I'm just going to put these little pointy lines on here, just for his size of his face. Then right here, I'll make a little line that's going to go up and down for the ear, and same thing here, up and then down. Now, starting here, right at the top of the eyebrow, I'm going to draw a little line that comes up. And you can see I want it a little bit higher than this one. And right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up. I'm going to come across and down here. And we'll make a little line that comes down. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up. Then we're going to bring it down here and back up. And we'll connect it right here. Then we'll make a little circle shape right at the end. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down and in. And one over here, it's just going to go down and in for his chest. We'll draw two little lines that come in here with a little zigzag line that connects it. Then we're going to make some little pointed lines down on each side. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go in. We'll do the same thing here, kind of go out, and then we're going to come down more. You want to make a little zigzag line across on each one. And we're just going to go up and in. Same thing here, up and in. We'll make a little line across. For the feet, we'll just draw a little line that's going to go around, it's going to curve back. We'll do one here, do one more here, and then we're just going to bring this line around here. We'll do the same thing here, we go out and then curve. We're going to come out and curve back. One more here, and we put one more back here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, put a couple little points on there. And we're going to bring it out a little farther. Right here, we'll make a little oval shape for the thumb. We're going to make another oval shape here for a finger, and we'll put a couple more on here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that comes up on each side, and a line that comes down. And then I'm just going to curve it around to connect. Then starting here, we're going to make this line curve down. I'm going to come back up and then curve it around here for like a little candy cane. Then I'm going to make some more little points that come up and then connect to here. Now, starting out here, I'm going to draw another little line that comes down with some points. I'm going to bring it down a little farther. I'm going to bring this line down here with some points. Make a line that's going to curve in with a line down. And a line that's going to go down and up. We'll do a couple more. Do one here, and then one right here to connect. Then we'll just add a little zigzag line across. Now, starting here on our candy cane, we'll draw some little curved lines here. And then we're just going to make these come all the way across to here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Christmas Kong. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.